typical tongue scrapers only last 2 to 3 months at most. These plastic wastes contribute to annual plastic waste output of over 40 million tons in the US. How can we make a difference? We found our answer in Yugi. Yugi Pure is ready for lifetime use. Yugi is much more durable than currently available products in the market. And once its life cycle is over, it can simply be melted down to raw materials to be repurposed. Its ergonomic design allows for comfortable handling and effective engagement to the tongue surface. Cleaning after use is very convenient. Simply rinse with water and set to dry.
Yugi is a premium metal used by Korean royal families for almost 1,000 years. Yugi offers great hygienic benefits and is durable enough for long-term use. This is why this material has been in use for generations as royal tableware. Until today, it has been difficult to perfectly shape high-quality tongue scrapers using Yugi as the base material. Craft perfected for over 50 years by skilled artisans made it possible to achieve the right shapes necessary with Yugi. Yugi Pure is individually handcrafted with utmost care for cleanliness and durability. The ultimate tongue scraper, inspired by royal wisdom. Yugi Pure.